Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Mobile Legends can't change avatar problem quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Mobile Legends app. Make sure you're already signed in with the account you want to use. Without logging in, you won't be able to make changes to your profile settings. Step 2. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you into your account section where all your personal info is displayed. Step 3. Now in your profile menu, find your current profile picture. Tap on the profile picture to start the avatar changing process. This opens up the options for selecting a new image. Step 4. Once you've tapped it, you'll see the Change Avatar button appear at the top. Tap that button, and now you can browse through the available avatars. These can include game heroes, or event pictures, and more. Step 5. Select the avatar you like, then tap the Replace button to confirm your choice. Sometimes it works instantly, but if it doesn't or gives an error, don't worry, it could just be a storage issue. Step 6. If that happens, go back to your home screen. Press and hold the Mobile Legends app icon until a small menu appears. From there, tap on App Info to open up the detailed settings for the app. Step 7. Inside the App Info page, scroll down a bit and find the Storage section. Tap on it and you'll see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap both to reset any saved temporary files that might be causing the issue. Once you've cleared both cache and data, go back and open Mobile Legends again. Try changing your avatar one more time. It should now work without any problems. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.